Darkness is fast approaching, and the lone guillemot chick still hasn't jumped. Its parent returns, desperately calling, encouraging it down. But its jump is not far enough. And now there's a new problem. It's wandered into razorbill territory. They'll attack intruders on their ledge. The parent calls it out. But at each step, the guillemots enter a new territory. The chick is under constant attack, and there's still a long way to go. Ledge by ledge, they descend together. But the chick is now tiring. It's reached the last ledge. The parent can do no more. A razorbill makes a final attack. Unable to steer, it's heading straight for the rocks. But guillemot chicks have dense, downy feathers. And incredibly, it's unharmed by the fall. And finds its father.